Hi Marcos, it's me Nini. If it Orga! Yeah, it's what time is it? It's 9:35. Thursday, July 2nd, 2009. I just wanted to tell you that I love you very much, even though you're sitting right next to me, Ofa, and you're laughing at me right now. It's just me, you, Tootie, and you just threw that at me. And Longy's home, and yeah. Just wanted to tell you that I love you very much, and that if you would have gave me that scarf for my birthday, I would have took it. Not putting any elbows or fingers or anything. But yeah, I don't want to say a lot on here because you're in front of me. I don't feel very comfortable. So I'm gonna call you later. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna steal this laptop and I'm gonna do another video. Take 2. And if you're lucky, I might even. You know what I'm saying? For me? Yeah. Like I said. Okay. Oh, and tell Kanan and them I still want to do a video with them. Yeah. Okay, bye. Fuck. See you later. Love you. Bye. Yeah. Okay. Bye.